In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to clone any website using AI, Base44 tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing Base44 app so you can experiment safely, iterate faster, or create a staging version without touching the original. This is perfect when you want to replicate a site's structure and AI-driven components while protecting your live project. As always, make sure you have the right to duplicate any content and data you're working with. Start by heading to app.base44.com in a modern browser. You'll land in the Base44 interface where your workspace and projects live. If you're part of multiple teams, double check that you're in the correct workspace so the clone ends up where you expect. Keeping your workspace tidy helps avoid confusion later when you're managing several versions of the same app. Next, click on Apps. This brings up your catalog of projects. Think of this as your command center. You can filter, search, and quickly find the exact app you want to copy. If you have a long list, the filter for your workspace is handy to narrow things down and prevent cloning the wrong project by mistake. Now, select the app you want to clone, open it so you're looking at the project you plan to duplicate. It's a good moment to confirm you've picked the right one. Check the name and, if available, a quick preview so the copy reflects the site you actually intend to replicate. Once the app is open, click on Dashboard. The dashboard gives you a high-level view and confirms you're in the correct project context. From here, you can access everything you need to manage and configure the app. Then click on Settings. This is where Base44 groups important configuration options. It's distinct from your account level settings, so you're adjusting only this specific app and not your entire workspace or profile. Inside Settings, choose App Settings. This section contains the controls that apply directly to the app's behavior, structure, and metadata. It's the right spot for actions that affect the app as a whole, including creating a copy. Finally, click on Create Copy. Base44 will duplicate your app and automatically redirect you to the cloned version. The copy typically includes your pages, components, and configurations, giving you a safe sandbox to test ideas, redesign sections, or prepare a new release. After the redirect, take a moment to verify that key pages and features look correct and that integrations behave as expected. Cloning is fast and reliable, and it keeps your original app untouched while you iterate with confidence. That's it. Clean, simple, and ready for your next build.